Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to complete schedule K-1 on Turbotax. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your partnership tax returns and any other records supporting your partnership income and expenses. And once you have those, go ahead and log into Turbotax. So just sign into your Turbotax account on Turbotax website, and then you're going to select the tax year that you want to complete schedule K1 for. Once you have that selected, you're going to select business and then select partnership as your business type. And the next thing you got to do is to enter your total partnership income, including any income from trades or businesses. And once you have all of those entered, you're going to go ahead and claim your partnership deduction, including any qualified business expenses. Once that's done, you're going to complete schedule K1 to report each partner's share of income, deductions, or credits. And once you have that entered correctly, go ahead and review it one more time just to make sure that every entry is accurate and you didn't make any mistake anywhere. Once you have that done, you can now go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're gonna take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete schedule K1 on Turbotax. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next